How to block adult content on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can block adult content on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. Instagram provides a sensitive content control feature which allow users to manage the type of content they see. So for that, you have to first of all open up the Instagram application and make sure to log into your account. After you're logged in, you will land in your home page. From here, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, again tap on three horizontal lines or menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. Here, scroll down and on the What You See section, there is Suggested Content option. You have to tap on it. So you will land on this page that says Content Preferences. Here, if you see, there is an option as Sensitive Content. Tap on it. There, you will find two levels of sensitive content control. The first one, less. It says you might see less sensitive content. So, this less option restricts more sensitive content, including adult posts. So, if you want to minimize the adult content, or if you want to block the adult content, you have to choose the first option, that is less, and then tap on confirm. The second option given, standard, that means it limits some sensitive content, but this is default for new users. That means 50% of the content will still be appeared in your For You page in your Instagram. So in order to block the adult content, you have to choose the less option for the highest level of control. Once done, now you can go back, and once the setting has been saved, the adult content will not appear in your account. So that's how you can block adult contents on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.